I've never in my life played a real life organ, but check this out. So there's a way in Logic where you could never play a wrong note again. So if you want to learn that, go ahead and stick around. You ready? Here we go. All right, so there is a MIDI effects plugin. Goes by the name of Transposer. You might have heard of it. And one of the key hidden features is if you go into the user preset menu up here, and then you go into factory, there is a preset called Can't Go Wrong. And the best thing about this is that you can designate the key, the scale or mode, and then if you want to transpose this up or down, you can do so here, which enables you to literally never play a wrong note again. So when I wrote this track in collaboration with the co-writer, it was really easy to hack the system. I don't believe that you have to know music theory top to bottom in order to pull off this game of music production. I think you have to have will, I think you have to have tenacity, and I think you have to have that focus and discipline to get yourself to the next frontier. So then now when we hear this back, we hear it in all its beauty. Check this out. So if you ever find yourself in a place where you want to really bring something to life, go ahead and check out Transposer. It can be a tool in your arsenal that can really help you out during a time when you just need it. Sometimes you can't reach out to anybody else. Sometimes you have a deadline that you have to meet. And so this is going to be something that gets you across the finish line. As always, we thank you for supporting this channel. It means the world to us. We're just here to contribute to the lives of modern creatives everywhere, artists, singer-songwriters, beat makers, composers. We know you're out there and we want to help you elevate your game. If you like the content, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, guys. We need you to share in order to build a channel to where we know it can be. My name's Eddie Gray. I'm signing off. Let's continue this process of learning and let's continue this process of evolution. Let's go!